Asal ada nama? They have my email. Memang tahi dia dapat aku tu. Gua aja betul. Kita tadilah reboot Google. Weh. Wow, 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 wow. What the hell is going on? Pengajar di. Oh my god, bro, seramnya guys. Why are you here? I want to stop title. Nampak dia pun ada warna biru, so dia bercadang kot sini. I want to stop title. You finally know. Yes, bukan salah di zona atas ni. Kita nak stop team Titan. You fake. Your end is fake. Your net is fake. Ya Allah Akbar. Memanglah habau. Kita CC cleaner. Okay, kita cuba untuk dapatkan banyak end kat sini. The end is fake tu kan. So kita remove file. Saya benci ke tengok jam kat situ. Oh my god. Kenapa dengan OS ku? Team Titan datang ke? Janganlah kan. You are remove a few core from this operating system. Without those files, what will come of Chrome OS? Because you did that. Kita yang buat. Tak apa. There's no escape. Kata macam tu. Survive while you still can. Dia suruh survive doh. Apa yang kena survive? Ngip-ngipik je. Okay. White noise. Okay. Sedia. Oh my god bro. Oh, ingatkan main game dalam ni. Kepala tahi dia dah. Oh my god. Jam jadi merah. 666 decline request. Okay, close it. Kita cuba close. Decline kejap. Okay. Decline. Deny. Salah cakap. Satu cara je. Tu je cara dia kan. Tu je cara dia. Kita cuba dapat tak? Tak dapat tu. Kita pergi YouTube ESC guys. Let's go. My Paper Blade Test 2. Comment search video anime. Apa ni? Kita tekan ni. This video doesn't exist. Sorry, this channel is unrunnable. Sorry about hear that. Saya cuba Oh betul tu. Wih.
Hello.
Team Titan tu.
Watch this video. Therefore, I don't know how much will I have left.
Okay.
I'm being told that this would improve Google's API.
BPI.
I don't get, but if this works, then I have no choice.
Okay. Adakah kau baik? Dia kata dia terpaksa. Masalahnya siapa yang baik sekarang? Anjing betul, memang anjing. Dia buat saya anjing. Terkejut aku, dia macam sak. Kita ke file name terus. Tak ada apa nak buat. Oh no, lainnya. Welcome to file. Lain tu apa yang saya main. So kalau korang nak semua ada di dekat description. If not, there is a risk of damage the file. You will be unable to run it. So ni adalah 32 bit application. Okay, so kita punya PC 62 bit. So kita kena convert. Lepas tu tekan lagi. Okay, dah start dah perkataan yang bukan-bukan. Okay, aku balik dah perkataan converting. Okay, sekali kita tekan. Run application dah tak boleh dah. Error. What the fikir. Dah terkejut aku. Meremang gila aku. Terkejut. Siap betul lah. Okay, kita open Adakah ini macam biasa je? Okay, Anas. Click me. Benda biasa je. Welcome.
You've arrived.
You arrived? This is Team High.
Came a long way as far as I've seen.
But
unfortunately, you're reaching the end of this chapter.
Sita.
What if I told you I was spying on you and you were my victim?
No, I will take none of
This
you.
is not a game.
This is
Currently, palm of my hands. And now I will show you.
Okay, you will show what? Show me. I'm not scared already. Okay, ni audio. Sekejap. Adakah audio dia biasa macam mana? Ada gambar.
It all started with a teenager named Tim Harrington. He had a horrible, sad depression, and he couldn't take it all in. Everyone had their backs, but for him, he's all left out. His parents abused him due to his troubles. They treated him like trash. He couldn't take it. But as he walks away, he met a strange person and telling him to do a deal that can change his life forever. Tim said, "I'll do anything to make myself perfect." After that, he vanished.
Dia menghilang daripada rumah. Bapak dia, keluarga dia, keluarga dia pun, keluarga Tim Hayton ni pun dia tak berapa nak sangat dekat ni, and asyik kan ni kan. So dia keluar, dia jumpa seorang ni, dia cakap saya boleh buat apa-apa saja untuk ni. So let's go, kita dengar lagi. Audio dia jelas sikit berbanding yang file name memang game tu yang korang tengok. Yang ni lebih clear untuk dengar. Okay, sebab orang dah cakap kot tak dengar apa yang cakap kan, tak jelas kan. So kita cuba dengar untuk audio yang kedua. Dekat sebuah bengkel, macam bengkel.
After he vanished, he noticed that he was held in an experiment pod. But he did see the one who spoke. And what he looked like a person wearing a business suit with a good-looking hair and quite a dead serious look, and was kinda in his middle age. He thought to himself, did I really do all this because of myself? The person said, "You will see the power of reality."
You see the power of reality?
And then he suddenly feels something that he never felt before.
Adakah dia jadi monster? Dia jadi monster tu. Orang tu rasa dia bagi kuasa kepada Tim Hayton. God damn. Ke unknown block.
He get this feeling, a feeling that isn't normal. Someone gave him an afterlife. He entered the cloud, became an immortal spirit, and corrupted Tim, and he said, "I'll live in a powerful website." He gathered his powers and took some virtual spirits with him, and they're able to take their latest updates with them, and infected it, and so the infection started and changed the following products such as Google, Hangouts, Chrome OS, and YouTube. As for Tim, he takes the big role becoming the center of the core. It was a success. The hour passed by, and they disappeared. It has been a couple of months now. They released the update, and so millions of users tried out the latest version of Google. They were amazed, like Google actually knows the user. The company are getting feedbacks on how awesome it was. The engineer of this update said, "It was all in my luck for that to happen." "I don't know, but who cares?" the CEO said. "We're getting rich." But they didn't know that it was powered by an entity. In the other side, one of my friends is worrying about Tim's disappearance, and he hasn't really thought of looking for him.
So dia kacau Google punya website macam tu, lebih kurang. What the hell, what the just happened? Kau tengok ni line dia tak salah kejap. Oh, and Google Drive punya ni pun ni.
Tonight, my friend went online and searched on Google for any evidence. A sudden glitch occurred and thought it was nothing, so he continued his research, but then suddenly the glitch was bad and started heard of a voice saying, "Google refuse."
Google refuse?
The browser started to malfunction and a search error popped up and said no results found. That's when a few random results popped up. Each and one of them contained scary consequences, like disturbing images would pop up,
Ya, macam kita
and such others. The more deeper he goes, the more consequences are being seen. "What's going on? And how is this happening?" he said. Then, suddenly, one deep update appeared and a notification showed and said, "Welcome to version 6.6.6. The glitch revealed itself as a horror website. The person was terrorized and there was no coming back. All the websites said, the end is fate." When he clicked a website, the browser glitched off and a note appearing saying, "I am here. You shouldn't have done that. Your end is near.
Sama macam
Look
kita.
behind you." Once
Sama.
he looked behind
Itulah
him,
tu.
Tim appeared himself as an evil virtual spirit and grabbed him by the neck, pulled him into the screen.
Itulah kita. Sama macam yang kena yang dia nak investigate. Terkejut tu terkejut gila tu. Cuma tak meluah kan kalau tak jerit ke. Okay, this story is more deepest.
The next day, he was found dead in front of his computer. His mother was terrified and called the police, but there was no clear evidence of how it all happened from their perspective. But after some time, it would seem like the virtual spirits have completed their goals. Many victims had fallen into a curse. Some died, and some were cursed. Then one remaining user went through the terrors and reported it to the Google company. The CEO tracked down the source and fired the man that committed it. The team took down the recent Google and restored the previous Google function and continued their daily updates on that. The haunted website was abandoned and never to be told or seen again. A year later, it came back as a corrupted file for Windows. Who knows what comes next? Beware.
Beware. So ada corrupt daripada Windows. Aduh, I tak fokus doh. Nanti edit nanti saya baru dapat. Google apa ni? Google Drive. So the last one is playing unknown block. Image not found. Mana tulisan unknown block ni?
Simon. Ja. Was det för halv salem så det nej. Her one vad jag bara skulle krossa. Here we're the in it. Must look så det looks like it. Och vi får between them. Det är snäggisness right.
Apa yang dia cakap? Is it Okay, saya tahu. Dia play dalam keadaan reverse. So, dah lah betul ke tidak Okay, core file. Waiting. Nama dia waiting ke atau kena tunggu? Okay, tak payah tunggu. Tak payah tunggu. Nama je waiting. Kita ada dekat landasan kereta api.
Over here, right this way.
Kalau korang tengok, saya dikebuli oleh dua. So kalau saya pendang sini, nampak situ. So jump scare memang gila.
Your journey. I hope you had your time there, because throughout your journey, I have everything ready for your stay. You've met your end, and therefore, nothing back there has no cause. It's over.
It's over.
Stay still. This won't hurt a bit.
Hey, tolong, tak boleh. Tak seram lah, mata kena tutup. What the... Weh, wallpaper aku. Oh no. Tolong. Ya Allah. Weh, hitam gila kenapa? Weh, ditukar background. So, rent application je. Entahlah apa jadi. Tapi but that is so scary. There is nothing. Tapi ni memang seram. Nothing is here. Pointless. Mana yang perempuan tadi gitu yang nak tolong? You have walked into a trap. You are one of them. Maksudnya kita adalah sama macam dia ke macam mana ni? And now it is never ending cycle. You have met your fate. Kita berjumpa dengan takdir kita. The end is fate. Sama tu tak sama je. Dalam mata ada muka lagi. Google. WhatsApp aku ada kat sini guys. Tak, masalahnya WhatsApp saya ada kat sini, Telegram ada kat sini. Masih ada lagi. Oh, dah habis ke? Waduh. So, the end is kita terperangkap lah sebenarnya cerita. Sebenarnya kita nak bantu tapi terperangkap. Special thanks. Okay, so ini adalah official yang terakhir. Banyak kali dia cakap terakhir tapi
You didn't survive.
oh, survive? Oh, macam mana ni? Try again ke? Walau otak dia begitu tukar tu. Aduh, hai. So, sampai di sini dahulu kita punya game Burger Refiden. Tak tahulah macam mana. Thank you banyak guys. Buat ini first video game saya kembali balik dah 1 jam video kan. Jumpa korang di next video. Bereboh.